guys, good evening everyone. Welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification below para updated po kayo sa aking mga videos. Here I am in Tamar Park. See the view outside. Tamar Park, seaside view. It's half moon tonight, half moon, you see. I'm here in Admiralty, Tamar Park. Opposite is the seaside view. See the seaside view, guys. Other side. It's windy tonight. Windy, so cold. Someone doing the yoga lesson there. See, they are doing the yoga lesson. Everyone is welcome. Enjoy watching. Take a look. The opposite is the harbor. Harbor. Harbor Chimchachoy. Just start shouting. I'm exploring alone. Unwinding here in Tamar Park. I miss my pangyaw. Rachel, please join with me. I miss you so much. It's a lovely night. You are here tonight. Over the shores. I love half moon. Half moon. Hello guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.